Hello, I'm glad you're here. I hope you're having a great day. I want to share with you today some things that I've learned that has really helped me to be successful with the incredible Eat to Live lifestyle by Dr. Joe Furman. Whether you just heard about it and you're curious about it, I can tell you that it is a truly transforming, life-changing dietary lifestyle. So congratulations for tuning into this video, because it shows that you're already determined and motivated. And I think that's one of the biggest keys, is if you are determined and motivated, you're already ahead of probably 75% of people. Eat to Live is a whole new way of eating, and it's so different than the way most people eat nowadays. It takes some time and it takes some practice. It takes educating yourself and learning this information, which is what you're doing right now. But once you get it down, it is truly so worth it, and you'll be so glad you did. One of the biggest things when starting Eat to Live is to do your best at being consistent. So getting into a routine, just like with so many things, is really valuable and is very important. If you need to rearrange your life and decide, well, rearrange it, maybe you're going out with your friends or you're spending some time with hobbies or different things, you need to decide that your health is your wealth and that this is going to be a priority in your life, doing this type of lifestyle. That will be key to your success. Surround yourself with tools and videos and people that can really help you to be successful. We live in an unprecedented time right now where we have this amazing abundance of food that's available to be able to succeed with lifestyle like this, and also with technology, with the internet, in groups such as Facebook and Twitter and YouTube videos and Instagram and social media. These are amazing tools that can really help you to be successful and get to a point where this just becomes a way of life for you. So do your best at focusing on them and use those tools. They can really be helpful. One of the things I do as I wake up each day and I'm getting ready for my day is I'll put a YouTube video on, and there are plenty of social groups that you can join to help you stay focused. And the more you keep learning and the more information, the better you're going to be. The other thing is, you need to remember that this way of eating incorporates a lot of food. So it's just the opposite of what we've been told. You're not restricting calories in order to lose weight and to get healthier. You're doing just the opposite with Eat to Live. You're eating a lot of micronutrient rich foods that are relatively low in calories. So you need to eat a lot of food, and that's one of the biggest mistakes that most people beginning on this journey make. These foods are going to sustain you and keep you satiated throughout the day, but you need to eat a large amount. Focus also on G-bombs. Those are crucial and are going to also help you to feel full and to get you the energy to feel good throughout the day. So your G-bombs, if you're not familiar, are your greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, seeds. And then you also want to include some nuts if you're past the 6 weeks. But if you're just starting out, you don't want to have nuts, with Eat to Live. Those you can put in later on down the line. But focus on the food. The food is so important. Stick with Eat to Live. It's an amazing journey. You'll be so glad you did. And again, surround yourself with videos and information that can help you be successful. If you've enjoyed this video, consider sharing it with your friends or family, and consider subscribing and tap the bell for notifications, because I'm doing more videos like this every week. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon.